Pathfinders, fasten your seatbelts because the wait is now over. We are now here at the entrance of Mountain View College, the School of the Life. Enthusiasm, eagerness, and excitement fill the spirits of Adventist Medical Center College Academy Pathfinders as they journeyed to Mountain View College and as they embark on the first day of SSD-Wide Pathfinder Camporee with the theme Rebuilding the Altar, inspired by 1 Kings 18 verse 30. This is a journey of spiritual renewal, where faith is strengthened, communities are built, and God's presence is felt in every way. Today, we'll take you to the first steps of this unforgettable adventure, from arrival and acclimation to the inspiring opening presentations.
What are you most looking forward to in the next coming days?
Probably ang marching og drilling kay dira gyud makita ang kasnapi ug kadasigon sa isa ka grupo ug isa ka country. And then excited sad mi makakita sa lain countries unsay lahang tactics sa marching and drilling ug excited sad mi mo perform sa amo.
So, sir, for our first question, sir, would you recommend this camporee to others?
Definitely yes. It's because as I observe nowadays, young generations are like dependent on their parents in times of difficulties in life. So I think they cannot surpass all of those without the help of their parents. But through these activities, through this camping, they can learn how to be independent without the guidance, without the support of their parents. At the same time, they can also be sociable with others.
But this is only the beginning. As the sun sets on our first day at SSD-Wide Rebuild the Altar Pathfinder Camporee 2025, we take a moment to reflect on the experiences that have already made this event so special. May we experience God's goodness and grace as we continue to worship Him through this event. This is your reporter, Shara Bella Pacardo. May God bless us as our Heavenly Father who watches over us, watches over you and me until we meet again.